Taste what everybody is raving about at Mr. Tandoori's Urban Bar and Grill. Mr. Tandoori's was designed for comfort, relaxation, and the enjoyment of great Indian food, drinks, and conversation with a respect to cultural traditions and motifs. Our authentic menu features a range of culinary delights, from appetizers to the richness and exotically spiced Mughlai to our specialty vegetarian dishes and tandoori tasty breads. You'll always experience the world's most flavorful Indian cuisine that is reasonably priced without neglecting the wholesomeness of our high-quality food ingredients. Our master chef and owner, Harmi Kandola, prepares each dish with the perfect balance of flavors and textures to ensure you have an unforgettable, authentic Indian meal. Join us for our full lunch buffet served Monday through Saturday from 11 to 2 p.m. Mr. Tandoori also features a comfortable and stylish, full-service, well-stocked bar. Dine in tonight for the best and flavorful Indian cuisine that's refined yet affordable, upscale, and still comfortable. Come to Mr. Tandoori's Urban Bar and Grill at 310 South Victoria in the heart of the Pueblo Riverwalk Shopping and Entertainment Historic District.